In Tutorial 7, we'll be taking a look at connecting Wi-Fi to the Victor Reader New Generation. So what we're going to do in this little session is show you how to access that Wi-Fi and to be able to log in. First of all, we're going to turn on our Victor Reader, the top left button. We're on, and then it will announce to us what
Welcome to Victor Reader,
or where we are.
Swimming with Crocodiles by Will Chaffee.
Okay.
Narrated by Francis Greenslade.
Now I know just by the book that I've been reading this before that we're on the bookshelf side with
connected to Wi-Fi.
Oh, and we're connected to Wi-Fi too. So now we're going to connect to another Wi-Fi connection, and you can have multiple connections on here. So first of all, we've got to go across to the Wi-Fi side, to where the internet and all that other information is. So we do that by hitting the Wi-Fi key, the little round key in the top in the middle.
Bookshelf. Internet radio. 4. Playlists.
Okay.
4.
SVRC_internet_radio_3.
We're actually going to go down to the menu key, which is the key 7, and we're going to move along until we can find the first option is the Wi-Fi, and that's the one we're wanting. So I'm going to push the number 7 key.
Menu. Wireless. Airplane mode. Off.
Now I'm going to use the numbers, the keys 2 and 8 to go up and down this list here, and it's going to give us lots of options that we can use for Wi-Fi. So I'm going to press 2.
Validate connection.
Validate connection, that's a really useful one. Sometimes if you're not sure if you're connected or what you're connected to, you can have a look there and it'll just stabilize you or check that you are connected. That's a good one.
Delete a connection.
Okay, you can remove connections very easily.
Create a new connection.
Oh, that's what we're wanting to do, but we're going to do it in a slightly different way.
Launch a connection. Scan for available connections.
That's the one we're going to come back to.
Import a network configuration from file.
Okay, if you have all the details from someone else, you can actually set it up through remotely by importing a file in and loading it from internally.
Airplane mode. Off.
Okay, now I should just quickly talk about aeroplane mode. It's something that actually does affect your Wi-Fi, that if it's turned on or off, if the aeroplane mode is turned off, then you can access your Wi-Fi, but when it's turned on, it may affect your Wi-Fi. Okay, it's something, especially if you're flying, these days they want you to turn it off when you're flying, so make sure you do that. So we're going to keep on going around because it's a cyclical menu that we're in, and we're going to go up until we find scan for.
Validate connection. Delete a connection. Create a new connection. Launch a connection. Scan for available connections.
Now scanning, so what we're going to do here is push the confirm key, and it's going to go and see what connections are available.
SSID.
Glenn's iPhone 6 Plus.
But the reason we're using Glenn's iPhone is because you can do hotspot to your Victor Reader, and so if you're away on a holiday and you want to download a book or whatever, you can use your mobile phone to find out where you are. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put in, we've found that connection, that's the one we want. I'm going to push confirm with the hash key.
Enter password.
Now it's asking me for the password. Now, to get onto Glenn's hotspot, we've set up a password that requires us to use a capital letter sign, and it's mandatory that you've got to use 8 digits or less for his password. That's so people can't crack it. So we've got to put the password is temp exclamation mark. So, and the first T in temp is a capital letter. Now, you can use with the multi-tap facility, you can use capital letters by pressing the bookmark key, which is like the diamond key in the top right-hand corner. If you press it once,
uppercase.
There we go. And we're going to push the letter T now, which is the first one on key 8.
T.
Okay. Now, I'm going to have to press that key again, that diamond key, the bookmark key, because otherwise if I was to input anything else, it would have that capitalized as well. So I'm pressing it again.
Lowercase.
There we go. Now I'm going to put E.
D.
Now let me see. I wasn't sure what it said there. So what I'm going to go down and do is I'm going to push the right arrow key or the fast forward key, and it'll read out what I've got.
T, E,
Oh, that's right. Good. It sounded like a D there before. So T, E, and M now,
M,
and P.
P,
There we go. And T again.
T, E, M, P.
Now, we're going to have to put the exclamation mark, which we know is on the 0 key, and it's the third push. So I've got to press it 3 times on the 0, and it should bring up the exclamation mark.
0 exclamation mark.
There we go. Now I'm going to press the confirm key, and it should check and log in on Glenn's phone hotspot. Here we go.
Please wait.
So what it's doing, it's going off, it's verifying that this is correct, and it's
Please
setting
wait.
up a little link
Connected
here.
to
Glenn's iPhone 6 Plus.
Here we
Uppercase,
go.
G, L,
And it's
E,
reading
N,
out all
single
his
quote,
details
S, space,
again.
I, uppercase, P, H, O,
Now we'll wait until that finishes.
6, space, uppercase, P, L, U, S.
Okay.
enter a nickname for this network.
Now it's asking you for a nickname, and I try to use names that you'll be able to recognise quickly. So for home, I always put home, and work, I put work. Or if it's at a friend's place, you put the name of the friend's house that you're at. So here we go now. So I'm going to put in temp here because it's only a temporary one. So T,
T, D, E, P,
whoop, I'm going to put
P,
backspaced using the left rewind key, the one there, and that takes us back one.
M,
Now there we go, and the P now,
P,
and I'm going to push the confirm key. Oh, before I do, I'll just check that I've got temp correct, because I'm going to use the fast forward key or the right arrow key that's on the right hand side of the play stop button, and press that, and it should come up.
T, E, M, P,
Beautiful, that's what I wanted. So confirm.
Connected to
temp.
Lovely.
please wait.
As it's just setting itself up, confirming all those things, and putting it in the list of all
Please
the
wait.
Wi-Fi ones that we have there. Okay.
An update is available for your player. Do you want to download it now? Press
Okay.
the confirm key to confirm, or any other key to cancel.
And I don't want to do the update now. There is an update available, and that is a setting that it can be prompted for when they come up. And Wi-Fi is a great way of getting those updates. It's much easier than going off and having to copy it and then bring it over on the SD card and then put it in. So the Wi-Fi, that's a great way. So I'm going to push cancel, which is the star key.
Cancelled. Wireless. Scan for available connections.
Now I'm still back in the wireless area here, but now I am logged into Glenn, and we've successfully logged in and set up a link with our Wi-Fi. For more videos in this series, please check out the SVRC website, svrc.vic.edu.au.